Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you a simple way to use Camo Studio with Google Meet. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for Camo Studio. Then install it and open the app once it's ready. Next, connect your phone and set it up as a camera in Camo Studio. Once that's done, open your browser and go to the Google Meet. In here, start a new meeting and wait for everything to load. Now in the camera settings, choose Camo as your webcam. As soon as you select it and enable, you will see your phone camera working perfectly. That's it, and I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.